Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys the results I was able to get with the Moment anamorphic lens, blue flare anamorphic lens. So my initial reaction on the lens itself, it's a very interesting lens. Like, it gives you that cinematic look. One of my cousins just opened up a flower shop in Oakville, Ontario. So I just did a little bit of a tester video for him using the anamorphic lens. I thought it came out pretty good. Now, one thing to note, guys, with the anamorphic lens, it will decrease the quality of your video to some extent because the lens is covering your camera and essentially the camera is projecting through a lens. There is going to be a little bit of video quality degradation. Now, it's not a significant degradation. It still looks good. I shot this in 4K, 30 frames per second. The one thing I noticed is first, when you take videos of the lens, it's really squeezed up. So what you have to do is you have to de-squeeze the footage to really get you that cinematic look with the black bars at the top and the bottom. So the way to do that, you can do it using Adobe Premiere Pro or using another video application. Or what you can do is you can download the Moment app. There is a one-time fee for it, but when you download it, you import that footage onto the app. It will automatically do the de-squeezing for you to stretch out the picture. So you can see in this video, it is stretched out. It's not a normal YouTube's default view. It's going to be stretched out. Now, personally for me, I think the lens is a good buy. It depends on how much you're going to use it. If you're looking to get the best quality out of your camera, then the lens may not be the best option for you, because it does degrade the quality to some extent. But if you are looking for a lens that gives you a very cinematic feel, kind of like a sci-fi look, and still gives you a very good quality, then this might be the lens for you. 21:9 aspect ratio versus the standard 16:9. So I'll let you guys be the judge of it. Take a look, and we'll chat soon.